Hi everyone, welcome back to the Controversial Podcast. In today's video, we'll be discussing about Shadrach Sibiya. I know I've been AWOL, but I'm back. We're going to talk about the Deputy Commissioner under Crime Detection. This suspended Deputy Commissioner is very cocky. Like, on a serious note, no wonder the Provincial Commissioner of KwaZulu-Natal, General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, blocked him at some point because you can see this guy, he doesn't understand the organogram. I'm talking about the structure of the organization. It seems like he doesn't understand his position based on what I've seen on the ad hoc committee. It's like he got that position just because he was politically connected or he knew someone in the SAPS who hold a senior position. Maybe that's why he's a deputy commissioner because, I don't think this guy understands his duties. No wonder he says Mkhwanazi must account to him. He says he's bigger than Mkhwanazi. Not only that, he does not respect seniors. Let me put this clip.
And we have seen a letter from the State Security Agency confirming paragraph 4 that you bought equipment. Can you confirm that?
General Mkhwanazi ukhuluma into angazazi nje. Azikho, there's nothing like that. That what General Mkhwanazi is talking about is in his own head, in his own mind. Ayikho leyo nto.
Le equipment ekhulunywa ngayo la kazi wayithenga wena for
I did explain, Chair, that if you are the head of department of a city, world-class city, and you say we need to bring to create an office that will carry the office, that where we need to build a war room that is strong, and then you let the IT people sit together in a room in consultation with SSA and say we want to build capacity that will be able to carry the city, so that when we are sitting here, we know that we are able to trace as to how many buildings are hijacked. In the city of Joburg, you do find a situation where you find that they buy tires, but they buy tires every day. There's a car that keeps on replacing tires. Almost in a month, they will replace tires twice in a month, which means they steal tires. There's a car that continue keeping on pouring petrol 2 times, 3 times in a day, which means they steal petrol. Now, you need a system that is able to